Hello. Welcome to the Pars Health TV channel. We hope you're having a good day and you are happy and healthy. In this channel, we give you tips to keep you healthy and out of trouble. In this video, we want to have 7 minutes about vitamin C deficiency symptoms that should never be ignored. This video is for educational purposes only, and if you have any specific condition or illness, you should consult with your doctor. Vitamin C is one of the essential nutrients that should be taken regularly to prevent deficiency. Due to the availability of fresh fruits and veggies and the addition of vitamin C to some foods and supplements, vitamin C deficiency is not that common. However, it still affects approximately 7% of the adult population. The most common risk factors for vitamin C deficiency are unhealthy diet, alcoholism, anorexia nervosa, several mental illnesses, smoking, and dialysis. In this video, we are going to be sharing with you the most common signs of vitamin C deficiency you should never ignore. If you like topics like this, make sure to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to see daily videos just like this one. Alright, let's get started. Number 8. Rapid bruising of the skin. Bruising occurs when blood vessels near the skin surface, capillaries, rupture and red blood cells leak. The natural response to specific injuries is such as falling or being hit. While there are certain amounts of bruising or extensive and unexplained bruising on the skin may be due to a lack of vitamin C in the diet and weakening of the capillaries. Number 7. Slow wound healing. The University of Michigan study says even a slight vitamin C deficiency can lead to a slow healing process. They recommend that people who bleed easily should try to increase their vitamin C intake to be aware of its effects. Taking more vitamin C reduces bruising in people who are suffering from slow wound healing. If you notice sores or scratches on your skin that are slowly healing, take a closer look at your diet. As vitamin C is essential for collagen formation in the skin, a new connective tissue that helps connect and heal wounds, a lack of vitamin C will slow down healing. Vitamin C acts both in collagen formation and wound healing and as a powerful antioxidant and immune system booster, both of which accelerate wound healing. Number 6. Oral health issues. Oral health problems, such as swollen or bleeding gums or frequent plaque, are often associated with low levels of vitamin C. Again, collagen is essential for protecting the gums. It is estimated that about 20% of collagen is consumed by the gums every day, which means that regular use of vitamin C is vital for the teeth and gums. Low levels of vitamin C are associated with an increased risk of gum disease. If this problem is not addressed, low vitamin C intake can progress and eventually lead to scurvy, a condition that causes bleeding gums and tooth loss. Number 5. Dryness and destruction of hair and nails. Shiny hair and strong nails can often be a good indicator of a balanced diet. Likewise, unhealthy hair and nails indicate a problem with vitamin intake. Because hair is an unnecessary tissue, nutrients such as vitamin C are first sent to more critical organs and tissues. So if your vitamin levels are below the desired level, your hair may be suffering from vitamin C deficiency. In addition, vitamin C is essential for iron absorption. Deficiency can cause hair loss and slow hair growth along with brittle nails. Number 4. Swollen and painful joints. Joint pain and swelling from rheumatoid arthritis may signify that you need to modify your diet. A 2004 study in the United Kingdom found that people with lower levels of vitamin C were 3 times more likely to develop rheumatoid arthritis. Number 3. Redness of the skin. One of the first signs of scurvy is rough and dry skin due to collagen deficiency. Low levels of vitamin C can also lead to keratosis pilaris or dimpled skin, which usually affects the thighs, arms, buttocks, and face. The good news is that it is treatable simply by consuming foods rich in vitamin C. Studies show that a diet high in vitamin C is associated with better skin appearance and fewer wrinkles. Other research shows that vitamin C counteracts some of the damage caused by sunlight due to its antioxidant activity. And it can prevent dehydration and dry skin. Number 2. Frequent nose bleeding. More than 90% of cases of nosebleeds are caused by capillaries in the front of the nose. Because adequate intake of vitamin C reduces the fragility of these blood vessels, its deficiency may cause nosebleeds. If you have this problem often or at least more than usual, do not rule out poor diet as the main cause. If your vitamin C deficiency is progressing, expect nose and gum bleeding. Number 1. Poor immune system function. The immune system, which protects our body against infection and disease, is strongly influenced by the consumption of nutrients, especially vitamin C. Several cells in our immune system need vitamin C to perform their functions. Naturally, deficiency leads to reduced resistance to some pathogens. Getting enough vitamin C means that our immune system will be in good condition to minimize a particular disease's risk, severity, and duration. Contrary to popular belief, vitamin C does not prevent colds. While some studies suggest that vitamin C may reduce the duration of the disease, but do not affect its extent or severity, others show conflicting results. Getting enough vitamin C is essential for overall health, especially if you are under physical stress or taking less vitamin. If you are interested in videos like this, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel. We hope you have a wonderful day. See you in the next video.